If you're somebody who hates your job and you're trying to find a way out and you're looking to create a side hustle or make money on the side, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to get started, exactly what to do to start that process started today. And if you're tired of waking up, going to this job that you hate, dealing with these people that you don't like, and you're just looking for a way to create more time freedom in your life, I know exactly how you feel because I felt the same way. But what I found is something that is actually working for me. I'm starting to see light at the end of the tunnel. I'm going to show you proof that this works. This is going to allow you to create more time freedom so you can enjoy your family more and work less. All right, so let's jump into the video. All right, so I know you don't believe me, so I'm going to show you some team results. Now, results not typical. You do have to work in order to get anything out of this, right? Results are not guaranteed, they're earned. But I joined this platform because I was seeing people getting results like this, and results like this, and like this, and like this, and I had to figure out how they were doing this, right? And like I said before, if you have a specific number in mind of how much it costs to cover all your bills every month, right? If you could make a $2,000 commission from making a sale, right? How many sales do you need to cover your monthly expenses? Let's say your monthly expenses are $10,000 a month or something, right? You would only need 5 sales at that $2,000 level in order to cover that, and you got 30 days to make 5 sales, right? It's very simple. Okay, it's not easy, but it is simple, and we can show you how to do it, right? I got a $10 ebook that shows how I've created these types of results, and I've built the audience without like spamming TikTok and all that stuff. You can check that out. Also, there's a free PDF file. It's going to show you step by step how to get started with this, and shows all of the stuff I'm going to show you here if you just want a downloadable cheat sheet. But the secret to all of this is high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, and basically it's selling products that you don't have to create in order to make commissions of $1,000 to $2,000 per sale. Okay, you don't have to create the system, you don't have to create the product. They actually are already created for you, and then your main job is to get people to the offer, right, and let the system close the sales for you. And the program I'm going to show you, actually they have a sales system, or I'm sorry, a sales team that you can have your customers call a phone number and talk to somebody, and they will answer their questions so that you don't have to, and close the sale for you. Okay, you just have to give them a part of that sale, like a commission, but I'll show you that later. And if you want to get results, okay, all you have to do is focus and be consistent. Okay, if you treat it like a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby and you won't make any money. But if you treat it like a business, or treat it like your job, right, then you will see results, because you'll be consistent and you'll actually be focused and you'll pay attention and do the work, okay, and take massive action. Now, the name of this platform again is Exodus Elite. It's a personal development platform. Okay, we sell personal development products. Okay, this is a $40 billion industry, and this program and this platform is positioned itself to benefit from this industry, and you can make up to $2,000 per sale every time you resell the Genesis library packages or products. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, and you get done for you sales funnels, done for you marketing material. They'll even close sales for you. All you have to do is get people to the system, and like I said, I can show you how to do that. When you join my team, I give you access to the $10 ebook and the video course that I created that shows you how to create an audience without having to spam social media. It's the fastest way you could create an audience using email marketing, stuff like that. I'm going to give you access to that for free when you join me, okay, so that you can have so basically you have some kind of a leg up on the competition, I guess you could say. There's no monthly fees. Okay, you don't have to pass up any sales. Anytime you make a sale, you make that money at the particular level that you're qualified at, right? You don't have to worry about passing up a sale or putting in effort and then not getting anything out of it in return, right? They're going to close sales for you if you don't want to. Okay, you just have people call that phone number after they watch the sales video. And this is not some MLM pyramid scheme marketing scam. All right, it's not that. Okay, it's affiliate marketing. You sell other people's products in order to generate a commission. Okay, anytime you make a sale, nobody else is making any money off of you. Okay, you make that money for that sale, unless you're at a lower level and you sell a $2,000 package. I'll show you that in a second. And the most common pyramid scheme today is our jobs, right? My job, your job, whatever. All the workers at the bottom are making all the people at the top rich. Okay, If that's not a pyramid, and I don't know what is, right? So how do we get paid, right? We sell these different levels, okay, of the Genesis library. Okay, I'm going to show you this real quick again. If you already saw it, bear with me, okay, just in case somebody new is on this video. All right, because this is part 3. So the Genesis library is a group of products, okay, and then there's different levels of the Genesis library, okay, and we resell each of these levels in this library. Okay, the top level is the G2000, okay, level. Then it goes down from there. Okay, these are different products that are within each different level. I'll have a link to this, or I'll show you the website where you can go through all of this. But each of these levels will allow you to make whichever commission that you're going to receive at that level. All right, so let me just go through it real quick. Let me get a drink real quick. So what I did was I joined at the G2000 level. Okay, that qualified me to make $2,000 commissions. Okay, now if you can't afford that, you don't have to join at that level. You can join at any level you can afford to jump in at. Okay, what will happen is whichever level you start at, let's say you start at the $500 level, you'll be able to earn commissions at the $500 level, the $250 level, and the $100 level, because those levels are below you, right? But if you sell a $2,000 package, you will only make $500 of that sale. The rest of that $1,500 will go up to the next person that is qualified at the G2000 level. Okay, and that's just fair, right? Because you didn't qualify yourself at the G2000 level, so you shouldn't be able to make that amount of commission. But you will make $500 because that's the level that you came in on, and that's the level you're qualified at. But you don't have to worry about ever passing anything up or losing any money, because anytime you make a sale, you're going to receive that commission at that level. So it makes sense to join at the top level, okay? Because let's say I have someone that joins my team and they're only at the $100 level, but they make a $2,000 sale. I'm going to receive that $1,900, but that person will still make $100 because that's the level that they're at, that they joined at, right? Hope this makes sense, okay? There's nothing that passes up. Excuse me, there's overrides, but those are qualified overrides, right? You still receive money anytime you make a sale. You'll never be out of any money. This is not a pyramid scheme or a network marketing platform. It's an affiliate marketing platform, okay? Now, what I did to get started, and I'm going to show you how to get started now, okay? All you do is you're going to choose the level you want to get in on, right? Now, if you can't get in at the 2000 level, but you want to start at 2000, I do have payment plans, okay? So just get at me on the back end and I'll show you how you can get access to that. But here's how you get started, okay? So this is the main page here, right? What'll happen is I'll probably just when you're ready to get started, you're gonna click on join now. And let me just show you this is the main company page, right? If you wanted to take a look at this, you could. At the bottom you'll see all of my information, and you'll see phone number you can call if you have questions. Now, don't call this phone number unless you have already watched the sales video, okay? That's very important. But that's where you can find the phone number. Also, when you start marketing, you're going to be sending people to this page. It's a 4-minute video. All right, there's other I'll show you other tools that you can use, right? But you're going to pay a one-time fee to get started with this, and then you get access to all of this stuff, right? This is a page that your customers or your potential customers are going to come to. They'll watch this 4-minute video. If they got questions, they're going to call this phone number, or they can reach out to you, okay? Or they can click on learn more, right? And it's going to bring them to this page. They can read more about the program. But that's basically what will happen when you send people to your system. All right, once they're ready to join, they're going to click join now, and it's going to bring you to this page, okay? And it works the same way for you. Once you're ready to join, you click join now, and all you do is select the package that you want to get started. I highly suggest you choose the G2000, okay? If you don't have money to join G2000, let me know before you get started, and I can show you how you can get started with a payment plan. But you have to pay this one-time admin fee first, right? any level that you come in on, there's going to be a one-time admin fee. All right, and the admin fee is going to pay for your access to the platform and be able to use the websites. There's weekly training that you can plug into, and that's going to be included in that admin fee. This is what allows them to keep the lights on for the company. Okay, so if you don't pay the admin fee, you can't join it. It just makes sense, right? There's no monthly fees. Okay, this admin fee takes care of that for you. All right, once you pay that admin fee and you pay the product fee, you're done. You don't have to pay any more fees to Exodus Elite. All right, so you select the join where you want to join at. You gonna pay your admin fee down here, right? You're gonna enter in all your information. You're gonna pay your admin fee. Okay, once you pay the admin fee, that's gonna bring you into the back office. All right, now the back office is where you're gonna actually see where your links are, and there's gonna be a message here to pay your product fee. Now I can't show you that because I already paid my product fee, but there's going to be several different ways you can pay. Okay, with me you can pay with the credit card, you can pay Cash App, you can pay Venmo. There's all the different ways you can pay inside of the system, and when you get your system set up, you can set up how you want to be paid, right? Whether it's Cash App, Venmo, credit card, PayPal, Stripe, whatever you want to do, you can receive payment for the products that you are selling however you want. Okay, but like I said before, if you need a payment plan, let me know. I'll be able to show you how you can split those payments up, right? Using I think it's called Afterpay, or yeah, I think it's called Afterpay or Affirm. But basically, you can split them up. All right, any level that you choose. If you need to split the payment up, just let me know. I'll show you how to do that. But you gotta first pay the admin fee in order to get into the back office, so that I can send the link to you and then mark you as a completed payment. Then you can start marketing, and I'm going to send you all the bonuses. So if you get started at any of these advanced levels, right, 500 or above, I have a weekly call that I'm going to do. It's going to be a team call where I can get on the phone and just, like a Zoom, right, and then answer any questions that you have. I'm going to do it every single week for anyone that joins at one of these advanced levels. Okay, just as an incentive to help you get started and help you start getting results. And I can show you the stuff I'm doing. I got a $10 ebook that shows you everything on how to build an audience, but I'm going to throw that in for free once you get started. And I'm going to give you that whether you get started at 100 or 2,000. But if you want to be able to join those weekly calls that I'm going to do, you have to get started at an advanced level. Okay, so that's how you get started. That's the entire system. The main focus is going to be to get people to this page, and I'm going to show you simple ways that you can do that. I'm going to also show you some tools that you can use that'll help you with generating sales and getting results. Now, like I said before, I pay a little more for different software that I use because I wanted to go faster. If that's something that you're interested in, I can show you that too on the back end. But yeah, everything I'm going to show you is going to be able to help you out. Just get started. All right, so underneath this video you're going to see my my number. If you got questions, just send me a text message. I could answer any question that you have before you get started if you want to, or just click the link, go through the sales system, get started. Let me know if you got questions. So that's it for this video. I'm going to pop another video up that's going to help you out. Make sure you watch that video. But now it's time to choose your own adventure. Okay, you can either stay where you are and deal with that, or you can try something new, right? Try what I'm doing, and I can help you get results. And hopefully this is going to help you out the same way it's helping me out. Okay, so take care. God bless. Go ahead and yeah, take action, get started. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.